Installing ink cartridges in your inkjet printer. For most HP ink printers. This video shows some common HP ink printers. For specific instructions, go to support.hp.com to identify your product. For a cartridge that loads from the front, hold the ink cartridge so that the contacts face the printer. Make sure the letter on the ink cartridge matches the letter on the slot. Slide the new ink cartridge into its slot and then gently push it until it snaps into place. For a cartridge that loads from the top, hold the ink cartridge by its sides and twist the protective orange cap counterclockwise to snap it off the ink cartridge. Do not touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzles. Gently bend the tab away from the ink cartridge, being careful not to bend the tab out more than 1.27 centimeters or 0.5 inches. With the ink cartridge contacts facing down, match the label color to the label on the carriage. Slide the ink cartridge into its slot, and then gently press it down until it snaps into place. For cartridges that are cube-shaped, remove the tape from the ink cartridge. Hold the ink cartridge by its sides. Do not touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzles. With the nozzles toward the printer, insert the ink cartridge into the slot until it snaps into place. Close the lid on the ink cartridge slot to secure the ink cartridge in place. For front-loading ink cartridges, hold the ink cartridge by its sides with the contacts toward the printer. Insert the ink cartridge into its slot and then gently push it until it snaps into place.